If you have a house in Whitehall, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and most importantly, in its as-is condition, meaning you don't got to fix anything, clean anything, or haul anything away, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Whitehall, Ohio, and what allows us to buy houses in its as-is condition is we're truly a cash buyer. The alternative to what we do is working with a traditional buyer, and they're going to need to use a mortgage and a bank, and they get formal inspections and appraisals and stuff like that. It's very cumbersome, and it can be very cumbersome jumping through the hoops of working with a traditional buyer. With us, we're able to buy it as is, where you don't have to do any work to the property at all, because we really are a cash buyer, because there's no approvals necessary. I'm not hating on these traditional buyers by any means. There's a lot of really good buyers out there, except when they're using a mortgage or a bank, right, then you're dealing with everything that comes with that and all these formal inspections. With us, there's no formal inspections. We're able to buy the house in its as-is condition and give you a fair price. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to go to the Home Depot, hire a handyman or a contractor. Nothing at all. We truly buy houses in their as-is condition. I can share with you hundreds and hundreds of pictures of houses that we purchased as is, packed to the brim. We bought hoarder houses. We bought houses fully boarded up. We bought houses that really didn't need a lot of work. We've bought houses that had foundation issues, major repairs. We truly buy the houses as is, whether they need a lot of work or a little work. It doesn't matter. We're going to treat you fair. We're local, and we can make it happen for you. So if you have a house in Whitehall, you're looking to sell it as is, in its as-is condition, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we talk on the phone, it's an easy conversation. There's no games or gimmicks or sales tactics, and there's no pressure or anything like that. We're local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's what you are to us, and we're going to give you a fair price, give you a fair offer. If the offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. We'll make it happen for you. If the offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's no obligations for you to call and at least see what we can do, but we're not going to waste your time. We're not a call center. We're not a marketing company. We're a direct home buyer. You're not going to pay any commissions or fees. You're able to sell the house in its as-is condition. So if you have a house in Whitehall and you want to sell it as is, look no further. Give us a call. Let's see what we can do for you. We're here at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.